Managing gout with a vegetable-rich diet. 10 high-purine vegetables to limit or avoid. Gout is a type of inflammatory arthritis that occurs due to the buildup of uric acid in the body. Foods that are high in purines, such as meat, seafood, and certain vegetables, can trigger gout flare-ups. In this video, we'll focus on high-purine vegetables and explore which ones to limit or avoid in a gout diet. Asparagus. Asparagus is a popular vegetable that is often recommended for its health benefits. However, it is also high in purines, making it a potential trigger for gout. Asparagus contains 229 mg of purines per 100 grams serving, which is considered a high-purine vegetable. While it doesn't need to be avoided altogether, it's recommended to limit intake. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritious leafy green that is high in vitamins and minerals. However, it is also high in purines, containing 97 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. While it's important to incorporate leafy greens in your diet, spinach should be consumed in moderation. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a versatile vegetable that is used in many dishes. However, they are also high in purines, with 107 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. Portobello, shiitake, and oyster mushrooms contain less purines than other varieties and can be consumed in moderation. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a popular low-carb vegetable that is used as a substitute for rice or mashed potatoes. While it's a healthy choice, it's also high in purines, with 63 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. It's recommended to consume cauliflower in moderation. Peas. Peas are a good source of plant-based protein and fiber, but they are also high in purines, containing 70 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. While they don't need to be avoided, it's best to consume peas in moderation. Lentils. Lentils are a nutritious legume that is used in many vegetarian dishes. They are also high in purines, with 127 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. While they are a good source of protein and fiber, they should be consumed in moderation. Beans. Beans are a staple in many diets, but they are also high in purines, with 132 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. It's important to include beans in your diet, but they should be consumed in moderation. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a cruciferous vegetable that is often used in roasted dishes. They are also high in purines, with 69 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. While they are a healthy choice, it's recommended to consume Brussels sprouts in moderation. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable that is often recommended for its health benefits. However, it is also high in purines, containing 80 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. It's recommended to consume broccoli in moderation. Kale. Kale is a popular superfood that is used in many smoothie and salad recipes. However, it's also high in purines, with 72 mg of purines per 100 grams serving. While it's a healthy choice, it's recommended to consume kale in moderation. In conclusion, while vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet, it's important to be mindful of high-purine vegetables if you suffer from gout. Limiting or avoiding high-purine vegetables can help manage gout symptoms and prevent flare-ups. It's recommended to work with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to develop a personalized gout diet plan that meets your nutritional needs and helps manage your gout symptoms. By incorporating a variety of low-purine vegetables and limiting high-purine vegetables, you can still enjoy a balanced and healthy diet while managing your gout. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.